Today, we're going to answer the question, are coding bootcamps worth it? First of all, I run a coding bootcamp, so I'm completely biased. I totally get it. I launched CoderFounder in 2014, and since then, hundreds of new developers came out of our program with new jobs. So of course, I think it works. But hear me out for a second. Remember that old Hair Club for Men commercial?
I'm not only the Hair Club president, but I'm also a client.
CoderFoundry has the same story. One of our teachers believed in our program so much that he sent his wife to our school. She was a vet tech working with animals. She quit her job, put her heart and soul into learning how to code. Now she's working as a software developer for a company here in Greensboro, North Carolina. She thinks coding bootcamps are worth it. Another CoderFoundry teacher relocated his son from Kentucky to come to our program. He did well in the class and he landed a job before the program ended. Our teacher said that one of his proudest moments was going out to dinner with his family and seeing his son pick up the check. They definitely think coding bootcamps are worth it. Okay, here's another story. Our director of missions sent her daughter. She was a hairdresser and a single mom. She sacrificed a lot to attend, but she worked hard and she got hired as a software developer for a chain of car dealerships. Yes, car dealerships hire developers too. She thinks coding bootcamps are definitely worth it. Our director of marketing is standing right behind this camera. He told his brother about CoderFoundry, and now he's working as a developer in New Jersey. So are bootcamps worth it? My staff and their families think so, and I do too. Last week, my own son landed a job as a developer, and I'm incredibly proud of him. And you guessed it, he attended CoderFoundry. So, not only am I the founder, I'm the school's proudest parent.